bit. The longer distance I do well. All right, that's a 40-yard. All right, that's a wall. Do you see it right there? So I was aiming right here and it went that way. So kind of dipped a little bit. All right, guys, 30 yards and I think 36 yards. There we go. Oh my really God. God, man, look at that, look at that. All right, 25 yards. Turkey. Bullseye. There we go. So this one here got a little bit closer, but that one, look at that freaking eyeballs, man. And that one is bullseye. Oh, my workout was today. Wish us good luck. You know, this thing. Guys. Oh. Oh. That was a deer, guys. That was a freaking deer. I saw the snails over there. And I can see it's everything right there. Now my scent is everywhere. Oh my God. Actually. Oh my God, couple trips. Oh my God, I can't try thinking. I didn't. I see. Yeah. Could be fishing. Catching some good fish. Now I know. So, I hope this is not how it is for everybody else, but I just want to show you for those who fantasize about like, oh my God, I'm gonna go this weekend, I'm gonna give me a deer too. Over expectation. Just gonna pack up my shit and go. First time wandering around by myself. How much I'm going. And I feel very confident because of this path. If I didn't have this tracker, oh wow. That's a shot. That's a super close shot. I'm gonna see if they're gonna come towards me running. That's a super close shot, man. Oh, that's the second one. Dang. Dang. I'm gonna mark this one. It's the third one. Don't get shot. Okay, let's sit right here. Let's sit right here for a second. That's the old cabin, and I've seen. I'll tell you what I've seen. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I just saw it somewhere. This right here. That. There's a lot of food in here too. I'm gonna go in. There's another right there. I'm gonna go in so you can see. There's no poop or anything. There's marks right there. Chewed. Yeah, these are marks. There we go. Old ones though. They're not new. This is new ones. Wet area. Alright, let's go to the other side. Smell pee. Right there, smell pee. Ugh. I smell some pee in there. Human pee. I gotta mark this place. This is a good trail right here. Oh my god, look. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm so tempted to use it. Good deer. You got him good, man. That yours? Awesome. That's what I'm talking about.
I got another one in the ditch.
Bro, I heard your 2 shots.
Yeah,
I did.
I busted.
Oh no, I saw that.
And then my scope, was my crosshairs. After I shot this one, my crosshairs, they were turned sideways. I was like, what the hell?
Shit.
And I ended up shooting that one. I didn't know if I was going to hit it or not.
Wow.
That's smaller.
Smaller?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you take care, okay? This redneck thing is not easy, man. Not easy, bro. I'm telling you. You think you could be a redneck, but you gotta graduate first, man. You gotta go to school for it. Man, I suck at it. Started at 7. It is almost 2 o'clock right now. My family depended on me to feed them. They're gonna die. They're gonna die from starvation. I'm telling you. I don't know if I came through here. Sorry, family. I'm gonna get you a deer. Not today. Maybe another time.